Hello everyone, I'm Samanvita and today our activity is a book review. Our book is The Power of Now, a guide to the spiritual enlightenment, which is written by Eckhart Tolle. And this book was published in the year 1997 and which is published by New World Library, and this book has a genre of spirituality and self-help. This was bestseller in New York Times and translated into over 50 languages. Some of the best quotes I found in this book are: realize deeply that the present moment is all you have. Make the now the primary focus of your life, and nothing ever happened in the past. It happened in the now. It is a transformative spiritual guide that teaches readers to live in the present moment. The book blends insights from Buddhism, mindfulness, and psychology to help the readers free from themselves and from mental suffering. Since its release, it has influenced millions of people. Tolle argues that the mind is often trapped in past regrets or future anxieties, preventing people from experiencing the true peace. He introduces the idea that present moment is all that truly exists, and that identifying with the mind and ego leads to the unnecessary suffering. Illusion of time. The past and future are the mental constructs, but the true life happens only in the present. Observing the mind by becoming aware of the negative thought patterns, we can detach from them. Ego and pain body. The ego creates false identities, while the pain body stores past emotional wounds causing suffering. Surrendering to now, accepting the present moment fully leads to the inner peace and enlightenment. Throughout the book, Tolle provides practical exercises, including the mindfulness techniques and meditation, to help the readers experience the now more deeply. Tolle's writing is philosophical yet simple. He uses a question and answer format to guide the readers through deep spiritual concepts in an accessible way. His ideas are influenced by Buddhist teachings, non duality, and psychology. One of the most powerful concepts is: realize deeply that present moment is all you have. Make the now the primary focus of your life. This challenge the way most people live, constantly chasing the happiness in the future instead of embracing the present. Reading The Power of Now was a transformative experience. It changed my perspective on stress and overthinking, making me more mindful of daily experiences. Tolle insights helped me become more aware of the how much mental energy is wasted on the things beyond my control. His emphasis on stillness and presence was deeply impactful. I highly recommend The Power of Now to anyone seeking inner peace, reduced stress, or spiritual growth. If you struggle with anxiety, overthinking, or emotional baggage, this book offers practical wisdom to help you detach from negativity and live more freely. Tolle's message is simple yet profound. Peace and happiness exist only in the present moment. As he states, nothing ever happened in the past, it happened in the now. This book is a powerful guide to breaking free from mental suffering and embracing the life as it unfolds. Thank you.